Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at legit ways to make money online in South Africa. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for people to earn money from the comfort of their own homes. If you're based in South Africa and looking for ways to make money online, there are a number of legitimate options available to you. Here are some of the most popular ways to make money online in South Africa. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to use your skills and talents to make money online. There are a number of websites, such as Upwork and Freelancer, that allow you to create a profile and offer your services to clients from around the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer or marketer, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money as a freelancer. Online surveys. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. There are a number of survey websites, such as Taluna and Survey Junkie, that allow you to sign up and start earning money for your opinions. Online tutoring. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can earn money by tutoring others online. There are a number of websites, such as Teach Me To and Tutors Live, that allow you to create a profile and offer your tutoring services to students from around the world. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale that is made through your unique referral link. There are a number of affiliate marketing programs, such as Amazon Associates and ClickBank, that allow you to promote a wide range of products and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your link. Online trading. Online trading allows you to buy and sell stocks, currencies, and commodities from the comfort of your own home. There are a number of online trading platforms, such as eToro and Plus500, that allow you to open an account and start trading with as little as R500. Online content creation. If you're creative and enjoy writing, photography or videography, you can earn money by creating online content. There are a number of websites, such as Shutterstock and iStock, that allow you to sell your photos and videos online. You can also create and sell your own digital products, such as ebooks and courses, on websites such as Udemy and Gumroad. Online store. Starting an online store is another way to make money online in South Africa. You can sell a wide range of products, from physical goods to digital products, and reach customers from around the world. There are a number of e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify and WooCommerce, that allow you to create an online store and start selling products. In conclusion, there are many legitimate ways to make money online in South Africa. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.